is Sarah. I am a bird keeper here at Tanganyika, and so is Katie. We have Balthazar, our Eurasian eagle owl, and we are here for Draw a Picture of a Bird Day. We're going to go through how to draw a picture of a bird, and we're going to see what Bubs thinks at the end of it. That's our nickname for Balthazar, Bubs. You guys ready? Okay. Should we draw a picture of a bird?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so we are going to draw a circle and then 2 triangles on the tops of our circle. Perfect. Now we're going to draw a line to connect right there. Beautiful, great job. And we're going to draw one more line down here. Great, so that's going to be our perch. Now we're going to do some erasing. A little erase. And the top above your line, erase. And now we've got a pretty good owl outline. So let's do one more line under our perch. Beautiful. Now we're gonna do his 3 little feet. So we got 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now, if you take a look at Balthazar's feet, you'll see he's got zygodactyl toes, so he can put 2 in front and 2 in back. So if you want to put just 2 little toe loops, that is totally fine. All right, you ready to draw some owl eyes? So we've got 2 big circles. And then we're going to draw circles inside circles because that sounds fun. Big circle, small circle, small circle. Beautiful, great job. All right, now we need a beak. We'll do a little upside down triangle. Lovely. And now we need some wings. So let's do a beautiful job. All right, we've got a good owl here. Look, he's got beautiful eyes. What do you think, Balthazar? He's judging. Okay, so let's color in our owl, all right? So you have your crayons, and we're going to outline our owl. Go ahead and do that really quick. Branch. And then we got wings and wings. Big old eyes. Okay. How does yours look? Oh, I forgot the toes. I'll do 2 toe loops. All right, and then this is the fun part. You get to color him in. So I am gonna make Balthazar pink and orange. What about you?
Pink and blue.
Okay. You're gonna have pink feather tufts. So a lot of people think these are ears on owls, but they're actually just feathers sitting on top of their head, and it's really helpful camouflage. Isn't that neat? He's interested. And then we're gonna do, from me, some cool camouflage, because you know, orange and pink up in the trees. It'll blend in really well.
Very safe.
Yes. Orange feet. You don't have orange feet, but I'm making your feet orange. Wow, this is quite the coloration. Beautiful.
I'm a true artist.
Yes. I'm gonna give him a little blue mustache. Be creative with your owl, guys. And then I'm gonna give him blue eyes, which he also doesn't have. He's got bright orange eyes. Wow. Stunning. Beautiful. Well, and like any true artist, you have to sign your work. Beautiful. All right, let's show off our owls. If you guys drew an owl with us today, post down below what you drew and we would love to see it. So would Balthazar. What do you think, Bubs? Unimpressed.